Hi, welcome to Analytica. Today we are going to discuss dashboard. A dashboard essentially is a visual interface that provides at a glance views into key measures relevant to a particular objective or business process. In a layman language, a dashboard summarizes the data in a user-friendly and interactive manner. If data is voluminous, you cannot ask a user to go through each and every detail of the data variables. So what we do, we create a dashboard which gives a user interface where he just clicks and drops various variables and understand what data is trying to say. So let's see what our data is all about. Now if I go to the data, this is the data I am talking about. This data is all the salesperson for an insurance company in the southern region. So the first column is all the names of all the sales representative in the southern region. Now how much sales they have done every month, how many sales they have done every month, that is given in January, February and March and so on. So I have 12 months of data for each of them, how many number of policies they have sold over last 1 year. Now when I go to the last cells, it tells me how many traditional plans they have sold, how many ULIPs they have sold and how many one-time products they have sold. These three cells over here, O, P and Q, these are the bifurcation of three products they do have. So what we have done, instead of a user going to the each month and checking out, it's difficult. So we have created a dashboard which gives me a option. I choose any particular name and that person's summarized data is available for me. So let's go to the dashboard. Now this is the dashboard that we have created. If you see, the names are listed over here and for each person how many sales they have done in each month is given over here. Also, product wise, how is the performance? Which product a person has sold to the maximum? So if I talk about Gaurav has sold most number of ULIPs in his bucket. ULIP meter tells me whether ULIP sold by a person is adequate or not, whether it falls in a high range, medium range or low range. If someone falls in a low range of ULIP meter, it means we need to work on that particular person. Now see, if I click any name over here, I click on Sandeep. So this is what happens. The data is populated month wise for Sandeep. At the same time, my ULIP meter is at 0. Now traditional ULIPs one-time data is being populated. Now see this meter how it goes up. Once again, if I go to Bhomik, just keep an eye on this ULIP meter over here. So traditional ULIPs one time. Now my ULIP meter will go up. So this is a very simple framework of a dashboard, a very basic one that we do. To know more, log on to our website www.theanalytica.com or contact us through our website. Thank you so much.